Hello guys, so welcome ulit sa aking video tutorial about factoring. So this time, i-discuss naman natin ang factoring difference of two squares. In factoring difference of two squares, ang kailangan lang natin ditong tandaan ay ito. Yung different numbers na kapag in-square natin, ayan yung mga sagot. So kapag kabisado nyo yan, hindi na kayo mahihirapan sa pagpa-factor ng given which is a difference of two squares. But before that, alamin muna natin ano ba yung form ng given na difference of two squares. So we have x squared minus y squared. So that is the representation of the given which is in a form of difference. So meron tayo laging minus. Tapos, yung first and last term natin ay square. Ibig sabihin, that is a number na galing sa isang given na minultiply sa kanyang sarili. So, ang lagi nating magiging factor dyan ay the sum and difference of two terms. Ibig sabihin, the factor of difference of two squares ay galing sa sum and difference of two terms na diniscuss sa special product. So, we have x plus y and x minus y. So, ibig sabihin, square root lang ng first term and ni last term, tapos lagi lang nating ilalagay ang kanyang sum and difference. So, if we're going to have an example, let's say, meron tayong given na y squared minus 36. So, the first thing that you have to check, paano ba natin malalaman kung siya ay difference of two squares? Kasama ba siya dun sa madali lang na i-factor? So, check muna natin. Unang-una, difference or siya ba ay minus? So, minus. Pangalawa, yung first term ba natin ay may square root? So, if we're talking about variable, kung ang kanyang exponent ay nadidivide sa 2, ibig sabihin, siya ay merong square root. So, y squared, check. Then, yung ating last term ay 36. So, meron bang square root ang 36? So, meron din. So, if that's the case, we can factor this given easily by getting the square root of the first term, which is y, and we have sum and difference, the square root of the last term, which is 6. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung ating sagot. So, how to check if your answer is correct or not? So, sa special product, diniscuss doon na kapag ang given natin ay sum and difference of two terms, we can simply multiply the first term by the first term of the second given and the last term of the first to the last term of the second given. So, if we're going to multiply y times y squared, then positive 6 times negative 6, we have negative 36. So, halimbawa, nagdududa ka pa rin kung tama ang sagot mo. Hindi ka pa rin sigurado. You can do the long method of checking. Pwede kang pumili. It's either FOIL, distributive, o vertical method. So, kung check natin siya using long method, y plus 6 by multiplying binomial by binomial times y minus 6. So, ginamitan ko na lang siya ng vertical method. We have negative 6 times positive 6 is negative 36. Then, naisin natin, negative 36. Negative 6 times y is negative 6y. Y times 6, which is both positive, or which are both positive, we have positive 6y. Then y times y, we have y squared. We're going to add, bring down y squared. Negative and positive, 6 and 6. Ibig sabihin, cancelled na siya. Kasi 6 minus 6 is 0. Then y raised to 1, y raised to 1, 0 din. So, ang matitira na lang ay 36. So, the same. Ibig sabihin, since difference of two squares is the reverse or prerequisite ng sum and difference of two terms, ang factor ng ating difference of two squares na given ay simply sum and difference of its square root. So, na-check naman natin, siya ay correct. Another example for number 2, we have 16x squared minus 25. So, since alam na natin yung process, we can simply get or kunin na lang natin yung square root ng first term and last term. Then, ang answer niya ay palaging sum and difference. Square root of 16 is 4. Then, square root ng x squared ay x. So, we have 4x and 4x. Then, what is the square root of 25? We have 5. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung ating factor. Okay, for number 3, we have 4x squared minus 81y squared. The same. Ang square root ng 4x squared ay 2x. Then, plus and minus. Square root of 81 is 9. So, we have y squared is y. So, palagi lang natin i-check. Halimbawa, after natin isulat yung sagot, gusto mo pa rin i-check kung tama kasi simply multiply these two. So, we have 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 9y times negative 9y is negative 81y squared. The same din sa ating given number 2. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. For the given in number 3, the square root of 9x squared is 3x. 3x. Then, plus and minus. The square root of 16y squared is 4. 4y. Then, this is already the answer. Last one, 49x raised to 4. So, this time, meron tayong exponent na 4. Divide lang natin siya sa 2. So, ang square root niya ay 7x squared. Then, 7x squared. Plus and minus. The square root of 121 is 11. Ito na yung ating sagot. In giving the factors of different questions here, pwede nating mapagpalit yung dalawa. For example, mauuna yung 2x minus 9y sa 2x plus 9y. So, pareho lang yun. Kasi in multiplication, meron naman tayong commutative property. So, any order, pareho lang siya ng magiging product. Yan guys, so I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video tutorial na ito. So, sa next lesson natin, i-discuss naman natin yung factoring, sum, and difference of two cubes. Thank you.